like it, come and get it. Gotta get me and my bitches a percentage. Don't look back cause we got the expenses. We got hundreds and Chanel next to the paddock. This is how we like it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got these big, voluminous, sexy curls. I used a curling iron. It was real quick and easy. Obviously the video, like I just edited and stuff, but in real time I did this in like 25 minutes, which is honestly record timing because I take long as fuck to get ready. But that's besides the point. I took 25 minutes to do this and I'm so satisfied with them. So if you want to learn how I did this, you can definitely give me a subscribe. Now please give me a subscribe, give me a like, follow my socials, they'll be down below. So this is what I'll be using today to curl my hair. It's a gift set from Nume. It's the Power Couple set. I have been craving or raving over this for years and finally it's mine. So basically, obviously that's where the curling iron goes. It's not in the box because it's heated up. So this is the curling iron. I would highly recommend this set. It comes with a straightener and like this comb looking thing that's easy for the chase method, which is like when you're straightening hair and like you follow it with a comb. It also comes with a glove which is heat resistant, like you can be all up in that iron and that curling iron and not burn yourself, so that's really helpful. It has the little logo on it, which is really cute. And finally it comes with a mat, which is also really good so that you don't burn the surfaces in your house. You can't really see the writing on the mat from camera, but it says Nume and it's really cute. It's rubber. I'm in love with this whole set because it's really adjustable. Like you can put the heat up, put the heat down. It's just really cute. Like the straightener I had before was quite ugly. So that's my Nume set. Alright, so let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing, that's rude. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the hair in half. I usually go in half from my part. Side part, I'm doing it like that. So first I'm putting it in half. And I usually do this on a mannequin head, like I take my wig off obviously. But for the purpose of this video, I guess I'm gonna do it while you're doing this. Obviously your tool should be heating. Once you're done with it, it helps to just put it behind your shoulder just to get it out of the way. My camera died, but yeah, I'm done one side. I know it looks crazy right now, but trust the process. Okay, so now we're taking down the other side, and if you find like you did a curl too tight, that's okay because it will drop. Take up the band. Okay, so I took out the bottom. It usually feels a little different on the second side, so let me see what I'm about to do. Close to my face. to the top of my head. I'm really trying to get like this look where it's, you know? I'm leaving these ones on longer because it's okay if the rest of the hair drops for me, but like I want my front, or like what it's supposed to frame my face, to be really defined. Looks a mess, yes, it does. I usually take a brush to it and make sure that it's all uniform. Usually when you curl hair, you gotta kind of wait for it to drop. Yeah, this is the finished look.